Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the news from China's neighbor North Korea. North Korea has confirmed the outbreak of COVID. 350,000 people infected, 180,000 people isolated, 6 people killed. Their supreme leader, Kim Jong, was seen wearing the mask for the first time in 3 years. He never wore a mask, but yesterday he was seen wearing a mask for the first time. China and Europe offered vaccines, but North Korea rejected. 162,000 people are stated treated. Is it Wuhan virus or new disease? North Korea's Supreme Leader Kim Jong has ordered national lockdown. He has also imposed restricted travel. Sense of panic is seen everywhere. But what caused this new virus? It is stated that military parade, there was no social distancing, unmasked people. This is stated as the cause of COVID outbreak. North Korea has a poor whole health system. China offered their help, but North Korea rejected.